The Honeywell True HEPA Bluetooth Smart Air Purifier with Allergen Remover captures up to 99.97% of microscopic allergens such as mold spores, pollen, dust, and more. This air purifier with Bluetooth allows you to use your Apple or Android mobile device to control all air purifier functions remotely. This air purifier is also equipped with 3 air cleaning levels plus a turbo clean setting, 1 to 18-hour auto shutoff timer, VOC sensor, filter replacement indicators, and advanced electronic touchscreen controls. Perfect for use in an extra-large room, the Honeywell True HEPA Bluetooth Smart Air Purifier with Allergen Remover is AHAM verified for rooms up to 465 square feet and comes with a 5-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.